it happened to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
This is the Wli Waterfall in Ghana, a remarkable waterfall marking a breathtaking addition to Ghana's landscape. Lovers of nature and adventure seekers come from all over the globe to come and experience what Ghana has to offer.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Getting here, you need to get to a town called Waterfall. And so this is in the Volta region. From there, you come to the Wli Waterfall. Hello Ghana, this is an extraordinary landmark to your landscape. It's been fun here, right here at the Wli Waterfall in the Volta region. I must say, this trip was made possible, kind courtesy, the party crew. And of course, if you are an adventure seeker or someone who loves nature, of course, the party crew can make your trip possible for you. So, guys, hit up with me if you want to embark on a tour here in Ghana. I will recommend the party crew for you. And of course, you know what? They will make your trip leave lasting memories in your mind. So, this is how I wrap up in today's episode of Wli Report. I'm the show, and this has been things that I'm doing here in Ghana, specifically the Volta region. And of course, it's Wli Waterfall in Ghana. Enjoy!
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening?